It's time to feed the strays again. I'm tired. I do not feel like going back into that cold. When I fed them this morning, I could barely feel my fingers, guys. But I'm gonna take you with me to show you. They're always waiting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh hell no. You see how deep? Oh God. I hear you guys. Oh Lord. Jesus. This is great. This is nice. I can't even see their bowls under here. Yeah, I got one. Okay. There's another bowl under here somewhere. Oh, Jesus. Where's the other bowl? This is not gonna work too good. Maybe I should just put some food in here. Oh, I think they're stuck. Oh, Jesus. These are their shelters. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna do this? I gotta pause this guy. I put it right there. Bubba's the only one brave enough to eat it. But that snow is deep. I'm gonna have to go back out and shovel that snow. Look at Bubba. Yep, they're trapped in there. They're trapped inside there. I gotta get something to shovel that snow so they can get out of that garage.